to calculate the minimal spanning tree of a weighted graph. So let's first plot this weighted graph. This is a graph that has edges from 1 to 3 with weight 8, from 1 to 5 with weight 1, etc. And be sure that when you show or plot the graph, whichever you like, be sure that you put the edge labels equal true, otherwise you are not going to see the labels. Okay, so this is the weighted graph. So in this weighted graph, we want to apply here an algorithm to calculate the minimal spanning tree. So for that, we can ask Sage to calculate the minimal spanning tree. So we put here the name of the graph, G, minimal spanning tree, and be sure that you put in the options by weight equal true. Otherwise, Sage will ignore your weights, and so the minimal spanning tree will be with all the weights equal 1. So be sure that you put them in the options, not the default, but by weight equals true. And so we run, and so we have here the answer. So this is the set of edges that define this minimal spanning tree. So we have here, for instance, the 2, 4, and so we have also the 3, 5, and also the 4, 3, which is this one, and also the 5, 1. Which is this one. So you see that we have here the 2 vertices that define the edge and what is the weight associated to it. So if instead of having the minimal spanning tree in this way by description, we want to actually see it, let's make a graph of it. So we're going to write here again by, so this thing that we have here, G, minimal spanning tree by weight equal true, this is what we have here. And so we make a graph of it, and this is going to be the graph H. We run it, and so we still don't have anything because we didn't actually show it, right? So let's actually show it. So let's put, as before, show or plot to find, to see this graph, but now with the graph, the new graph H. So we put H show or H plot and run it. And so here it is. So now we have the minimal spanning tree. Check that the weight of this tree, in this case, is 4, 10, 11. So the minimal spanning tree is 11. You may calculate it also by hand. You can also calculate the weight as we did before by asking Sage to do that.